Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. One thing I love is chicken, and then you combine that with coconut and pineapple. Wow, it's just incredibly delicious. So we threw together this dish, chicken, coconut, pineapple. It just came out incredible. And the great thing is, the whole dish can be done in 30 minutes. I'm just going to start here by doing a couple of slits in the chicken. And these are just chicken thighs, but they seem to fry a little more evenly if you make a couple of slits. And of course, as always, season them up with a bit of salt and some pepper. Now you can use the seasoning of your choice. You could add a bit of garlic powder, a bit of onion powder, whatever you like, but I like just salt and pepper. Next up, add some oil to a pan. Place our chicken in, skin side down, and fry them for, I'd say about 4 minutes on each side, just until they're cooked through. Now the chicken is nicely done. We're just going to pull it out and set it aside on a plate. In the same pan, you don't want to touch this because there's all kinds of great flavors happening here. I'm going to add in a thumb-sized ginger, a chopped small onion, and 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and just saute these until they're fragrant. So that wonderful flavor fills the air. This smells so good. Now a chopped red bell pepper. You can use green or orange, whatever you like, but I like the red just simply because they're sweet. And you just want to saute these until they begin to sweat a little bit. Then we're going to add in a cup and a half of coconut milk. And I suppose you could use heavy cream. I just like the coconut milk. It's got a really nice flavor to it. And a can of pineapple chunks. So what we're going to do is just give this a stir and bring it to a boil. After a boil, put the chicken back in. And I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And of course, you want to turn the chicken over occasionally. After about 15 minutes, there you have it, guys, our super delicious chicken coconut pineapple. I'm just going to go ahead and plate this up, and it looks and smells so delicious, and I love the colors. So let's give this a taste test. So good, guys. The chicken is tender, it's juicy. I love the pineapple, I love the coconut, the bell peppers, everything goes together just beautifully. You gotta give this a try. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes over there. Give us a thumbs up and most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.